Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am showing you some new Easter spring themed journals that I made. I also did a tutorial on this, so I'll put the link down below. This is the journal that I made using a gift bag, and it was a $1 gift bag that I picked up at Walmart. It was with their Easter, all their new Easter items. Super cute bunny bag. I made 2 of these journals because I used both sides of the bag, and then I used the ribbon from the bag as well as the sides and the bottom of the bag. So I pretty much used the whole bag between the 2 journals that I made. These will be in my Etsy shop, so follow the link down below to my shop and you'll be able to check them out. But I wanted to show you a full flip through of one of them. The other one will be similar, but it will have different vintage pages throughout the book. But they will be listed separately in my Etsy shop, so you can see the differences in the pictures there. Also, I have 2 other bunny spring journals that I just recently put up last week. So if you'd like to see the flip through for that one, for one of them, I'll put the link for that down below, and you can check that in my Etsy shop too. So this one is a little bit smaller than those. They are around 4 inches wide by 7 3/4 tall. So they're closer to a regular like traveler's notebook kind of size, but a little bit smaller. They're just really cute though. I love them. They're one signature. This one has the glitter on it, and the second one does not have the glitter because usually on gift bags one side will be glittered and then the other one won't. So this one is the glitter one, and I just love it. It's tied up with some seam binding, and that comes off. There is vintage lace at the top and then rickrack at the bottom. I sewed all the way around, and I added some scrap of paper on the inside, and that's sewn in. It's sewn using a pamphlet stitch, and I did sewing throughout the entire book like I normally do on my journals. So when you open this up, there is a side tuck here, and this is part of the bag. So if you watch that tutorial, you will see how I did this. And then I have a belly band, some lace here. Now this book, I have not put anything in it, but it does come with this stack of ephemera, so I'll go through that too. There's a pocket with this vintage applique of a rose, some dyed paper and stamping, some washi tape. This collection of paper is by Bo Bunny. It's their Easter collection that I picked up at Tuesday morning. Here is the vintage book page, a bunny book page, a dyed doily. This is a vintage Hallmark bag, a glassine bag, really cute. And it is open on the side here for stuff. This is some vintage Peter Rabbit wrapping paper with a tab, and then a cute little bunny coloring page book. Here's another vintage rabbit page. I think it's an Easter book. Yeah, the eggs there. Here's some more tea stained paper, and then or coffee stained paper, and then I put some washi tape up there. That's part of this collection of paper that I used. Here's a belly band, and then I sewed some crocheted lace on the side and then added some rickrack. Here's another tuck. Here is a really pretty egg napkin that I included in there. Some vintage ledger paper. It has the writing and everything in there too. I don't remember the year on this. I received that from my friend Crystal. There's another book page, some vintage manuscript paper. And then here's the center. This is from a really old Easter book. I think it's a old in 1950s, but it has the velvet on it. It's really cool. On the other side, there was just writing here, so I added this little glassine bag and then this piece of fabric here that has this really pretty bunny with the floral headband. And then there's a tab there. Here's the other end of that ledger page. And then here are the other sides. There's some vintage lace that has ribbon underneath it. That's pretty cool. And then a little side here. Added some trim. Cute little page there. And here's the other side of that Peter Rabbit wrapping paper in the bag. And then this can be cut either here or here if you wanted to have like a little tag pocket up there, or you can do it on the side. Did some stamping. Here's another little piece of fabric there of a bunny head, little pocket. And then here is the last page with the belly band, and then here's another side tuck. And then I added these dimensional stickers on the front and the back covers, and those were from the paper collection. So that is that one, and then I will go through the ephemera that will come with this. There will be 2 of these tags. Here's a die cut. The die cuts will differ because I had 1 pack of ephemera. I just kind of divided it up. There's this, a couple egg die cuts, this little glassine bag, and I stamped it with the bunny there. Here's a little tag. I made some tickets and then I stamped them. I altered this paper, made a tag there and sewed, and then I stamped that on there. Here's an altered vintage bingo card. And I did some decoupage on there with the bunny napkin that I had, and I stitched that on. And this is just a cute little note card I thought would go great with this book. So I included that so you can use the card for a tuck, and then the napkin or the envelope wherever you want there. Here's just an extra piece to use as a journaling card, and then here is another cut apart journaling card there. I made another tag with the paper, and this is part of the wrapping paper. This is an actual vintage card from 1950. So it has writing used, but I just thought it was super cute. It has a little bit, this was in an old scrapbook. So you could probably just cover that or leave it as is, whatever you want to do. Here's another little cute card. It was a place card. I found this at Target. It's cute. And then a couple little playing cards, the chick and the rabbit. And then here's a little card with a carrot. And then I included a couple sheets of this bunny note paper and this bunny note paper. Really cute. And then here's another cut apart from the collection, and then here is an Easter recitation vintage book page. So all this stuff, and I'll probably add in a couple more of the bunny book vintage book pages in with this as well, but they'll be bigger. I'll probably fold them in half. So that is all the stuff that comes with this, and each of the books will have this amount and a lot of the same items, but the vintage cards will be different and things like that. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Check out my Etsy shop, and I hope you get lots of inspiration from this video, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.